What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Market, Bank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And in this video I will discuss what are the rules of success, what are needed, what rules are needed to be maintained for success. I will show you 8 rules for getting success. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates. You see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. Now I will discuss all the 8 rules for getting success in any profession and any um, any circumstance, any sectors, any marketing. So you have to follow all these 8 rules if you want to get success. Now rule number 1, what you do define what kind of person you are. Number 2, you can't just wait around for a purpose. Number 3, be what you need to be for the greater good. And number 4, conquer your fear. You have to conquer your fear. Number 5, be confident of yourself. Number 6, everyone wear a mask. If you are a businessman, then you have to wear a mask in time to time. When you are a customer, you have to behave on kind of behavior. When you are a boss, when you are a client, so you have to wear a mask. Number 7, people are inspired more by an idea or symbol than just one person. And number 8, don't let your enemies cause doubt in your plans or in your morals. So you have to maintain all those 8 rules for getting success in any sector, any professional, any business, any marketing. So that's it. If this video help you, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money per month over 10,000, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, because it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you see here a lot of info inside my YouTube channel, and you will get a lot of help inside my YouTube channel. So guys, maintain all the 8 rules for getting success, and best of luck.